Hi, I am Marchena, CCO at A-Lens. Today, let's talk about Billions, the hit TV shows loved by millions. Drama about money, power, and intrigue that blend with valuable lessons for investors who want to better understand the psychology and strategy behind smart decision making. If you want to improve your investment skills, especially in alternative assets, P2P lending, or crypto, this video is for you. Let's break down 9 key insights from Billions that can help you sharpen your investment mindset and manage risk more effectively. First, information is power, but timing is everything. In the show, characters are flooded with data and insider info. But it's not who knows the most that wins, it's who acts fast and strategically. That means having information isn't enough. Knowing when and how to use it is crucial. In real investing, even the best research loses value if you don't act in time. For example, in Billions, lightning fast trades triggered by news even often decide the game. For you, the lesson is be ready to make decisions quickly, but always thoughtfully. Second, risk is inevitable, or don't invest at all. No one in Billions plays for guaranteed wins. They take big risks, but the winners are those who calculate, hedge, and manage those risks well. If you are afraid of risk, you risk earning nothing. The reality is that risk and reward go hand in hand. The key is not avoiding risk, but learning to measure, price, and control it. At A-Lens, for instance, we carefully vet borrowers and require collateral to help manage investor risk. Third, confidence is good until it turns into arrogance. Confidence drives success in the show, but overconfidence often leads to downfall. Trust your analysis, but stay humble. Be open to new information and willing to admit mistakes. That's how you grow as an investor. Billions vividly shows how arrogance can blind you to real dangers and lead to costly errors. 4. Relationships drive everything. In Billions, deals are made not just with money, but through trust, alliance, and sometimes betrayals. For investors, especially in P2P lending, building strong relationships with platforms and community is key. The stronger your network, the more opportunities and information you will have access to. This proves that investing is about people, not just numbers. Fifth, reputation is a compounding asset. Reputation can be bought, but it can be lost in an instant. In the show, good names open doors to lucrative deals, while bad reputation closes them. When choosing an investment platform, look for transparency, regulation, and credibility. At A-Lens, we build trust through honesty, reliability, and investor protection. Your personal reputation matters too. It influences the deals and trends you get. Sixth, strategy beats tactics every time. Characters who think several moves ahead tend to win more than those who act on impulse. In investing, avoid panic and FOMO. Develop a clear plan and stick to it, adjusting only when it makes strategy sense. 7. Alternative assets aren't the future. They are here now. Billions explores crypto, art, private equity, and asset-backed deals. Diversifying beyond stocks and bonds isn't just trendy. It's necessary for risk management. Maclear offers investment in real, asset-backed businesses, one of the most secure alternatives to traditional financial instruments. 8. Emotional discipline is key to success. Access' biggest mistakes come when emotion clouds his judgment. Emotional intelligence is just as important as financial knowledge. Don't let market moods or your feelings derail your investment strategy. Staying calm and rational protects you from costly, impulsive decisions. Never stop learning. The game never ends. The best players in Billions are lifelong learners, always evolving their strategies. Markets change. Technologies advance. Your investment approach needs to evolve too. At Maclear, we support investors with education and transparency to help you grow and adapt. If you are investing outside Wall Street, in P2P lending, crypto, or alternative assets, Billions offer more than entertainment. It's a masterclass in investment psychology, risk management, and strategy that you can apply in real life. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Tail Ends channel for more insights on how to invest smartly, safely, and transparently. See you in the next videos.